Located on an elevated corner plot in a tranquil neighborhood, built with 5 shipping containers, crafted with high-quality workmanship, fitted with well-appointed interiors, and adorned with nicely landscaped outdoors are just but some of the salient features that make this amazing family home to stand out from the street in the tranquil Jordan neighborhood of Minneapolis. Stay tuned for a full house tour of this amazing container home. Welcome back. This jaw-dropping, one-of-a-kind piece of art is the first shipping container house in the Jordan neighborhood of Minneapolis. Paragon Design was the mastermind behind the artful design and its construction. This container house is built using 5 shipping containers to accommodate 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and open-plan living within 1,300 square feet of habitable space. 4 40-foot shipping containers are stacked 2 by 2, plus a 20-footer placed side by side with one of the 40-footers to expand the living space on the ground floor level. Concrete steps from the street sidewalk lead to a beautifully crafted main entrance door, which opens into a well-lit entrance lobby with glass windows and accented by a staircase tailored from wood connecting to the first story of the house. The entryway opens up to a large open-plan living area. The inner container walls were cut out to create an expansive open-plan living space. The living space has a spectacular lounge space that features a comfortable sofa seat for lounging, a custom tabletop, and defined by a brown floor rug. The living area has a cute little desk area surrounded by windows, which adds character to this beautiful home. The good-sized picture windows not only offer better ventilation, but also increases the perceived indoor space of the container house. The stunning kitchen is sure to extend the expectations of even the most discerning gourmets. It is decked out with stainless steel appliances, wooden countertops, under the counter and overhead custom designed storage cabinets. The kitchen space is anchored by a center island, ideal as a breakfast counter that can comfortably sit 4. The kitchen sink is in front of a good-sized glass window, which lights up the sink space and floods the kitchen with natural daylighting. The white painted wooden door from the kitchen leads to the backyard of the house. The space in front of the kitchen island is fitted with a big glazed window, which is spacious enough to accommodate a dining table ideal for a family setup. The first door from the entrance lobby opens into the first bedroom. This bedroom has a minimalist interior space featuring a simple decor and a comfortable single bed ideal for a guest bedroom. The second door from the first bedroom opens into a minimalist bathroom. The bathroom features a curtain shower cubicle, a toilet, and a modern wash hand basin with storage. While luxury custom finishes dominate the design, there are reminders of the shipping containers, such as the copper sprayed metal ceiling, such as the copper sprayed metal exposed ceiling. A wooden staircase takes you to the second level of the house. A small hallway divides the bedrooms into the master bedroom on the left and the third bedroom on the right. The master bedroom is not just cozy, but also well lit by sizable glass windows with amazing views of the property. The master bedroom is fitted with a king-sized bed, two neat bedside lamps, and a sitting area. The master bedroom opens onto a private outdoor terrace where you can relax and enjoy the breathtaking views. Adjoining this bedroom is a large walk-in closet and a utility space with a hot water tank. From the closet room, there is a spacious, modern Jack and Jill bathroom. The bathroom is way bigger than you'd expect in a container house. It features a fully tiled curtain shower cubicle, a vanity area with storage, and a toilet. The third bedroom features a comfortable metal sofa bed overlooking the outdoors. Sliding glass doors from this bedroom open onto a private terrace overlooking the backyard. The industrial finish is the main decorative style in this bedroom. The bedroom uses the rawness of the exposed painted container steel walls as a charm. The house has air conditioning throughout to enhance indoor thermal comfort, plus a full basement, a foundation, and laundry area. The basement floor is a big space, adding to the overall space footage of the house. From outside, there is no secret that this amazing home is built using shipping containers. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial design of the house. The containers are painted in bright colors, making the house very conspicuous and noticeable from the street. The home offers excellent outdoor spaces to complement the limited indoor living space. The house is fitted with a proper roof above the shipping containers to prevent water from pooling on top of the roof, causing corrosion and rusting. In addition, this house has a two-car garage accessed from the rear street and is built out of coated steel to match the bold container home, adding depth to this amazing property. This stunning container home is on the market, listed for $280,000. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.